Hi po.
Very professional.
Very professional.
Right. Any chance na na-meet mo si Ate Guy?
I've had the privilege of interviewing her muna. And then I got to meet her na finally sumama ako sa isang show.
Ray, kamusta yung meet mo sa kanya doon? How was she?
Ang impression ko kay Miss Nora was she was so tiny. Yet there was nothing fragile about her. She was so tiny. Kaya nagulat ako. Pero yung dating niya, talaga hindi yung I don't know how to describe it, but I guess when you see her in person, then talaga there's nothing fragile about her. She was really oozing with confidence and power and quiet talaga. But there's this quietness about her that surprised me. Hindi kailangan mag-speak out. So, yun, when we had a show in LA, na-witness ko yun, the tiny bubble.
Oh, yeah.
Sa audience.
That would coach you, but she will support you and guide you all the way. And then, mararamdaman mo naman kasi siya sa eksena. Yun nga yung higop yun yung power niya Yung hindi mo kailangan mag-motivate pag si Ate Guy ang ka-eksena mo kasi dadalhin ka talaga niya. Dadalhin ka niya, bibit-bitin ka niya, gagabayan ka niya. Ang powerful kasi ng babae from Direk Lupita Kashiwahara, Miss Nika Blanca. Ako yung pinakabago sa roster. Ako talaga yung so that alone, overwhelmed na ako sa bigat at laki ng pelikula. Pero never kong naramdaman yun with Ate Guy, with this Miss Nika Blanca. I was really guided properly. Doon ko nakita na okay. Ibang klase.